How's it going, everybody? Cleveland Cutting Board Weekend Shop Update time. It's another awesome Sunday here in Northern Ohio. The weather could not be any better, I don't think. 70s, sunny the last couple of days. I photographed a wedding yesterday for an awesome couple, awesome family. Beautiful weather. Again, beautiful weather today. Working in mid-late October with the door open, sunny degrees, 70 degrees are calling today, so really excited about that. Progress this week. So we've been primarily working on the 60 board order for the customer down in Akron. If you listen, you might be able to hear the CNC, but that's been the big thing this week. Did a lot of cleaning this week. My buddy Lane came over and gave me a hand on the cleaning. That was a big deal this week. So actually you can see the floor again. He did a lot of work. Did some outside work as well. Some of the lumber storage over behind the other building. Got a lot of pieces cut. So got some more pieces cut for the 50 board order that's going out in December. Still got to go get some more from the mill probably one day next week. But priority one's been getting the 60 board order done. Spent a couple hours again on this dust collector. It's been a massive pain in my butt. It's not bad, but it's finicky. Like there's no room. Like the second that thing is full, you have to empty it. If not, you're backing the filters up. You're backing up, the sensor won't work. So you have to actually try and catch it before it goes bad. So I'm not sure how I feel about this dust collector. It sucks for the planer. The planer makes big chips. So when you run these boards through, when you run stuff like this through, it fills, every one stack, you're constantly having to stop and change it. So I think I might put a cyclone through it. So, but anyway, Christmas orders are coming in. They're coming in like crazy. So I've been working on that, getting it prioritized. I'm probably gonna start Christmas orders, but right now, the deadline for Christmas orders guaranteed for the week of Christmas is the end of this month, November 1st. I might still get you done, but I can't guarantee it until after Christmas. So get your orders in November 1st. I'm rambling now, I know, but I got a million things going on in my mind. I had 2 cups of coffee today. So on this week's episode of Dumb Shit People Say to Small Business Owners, hey, can I pick it up around 9 or 10 o'clock at night? No. I mean, tell me a business that's a retail shop that's not obviously the big chains, but no, you can't pick it up at 10 o'clock at night. I'm sorry. I can, we can make other arrangements. I can't. 9, 10 o'clock at night's too late. 7:30, 8 maybe, but even then, it's just, I go to bed. I go to bed early. I wake up early, but I go to bed early. So don't get pissy at me because I'm not going to stay awake till 10 o'clock till you finish your running around. I'm sorry, I want your business, don't get me wrong, but that's just too late. So, oh, camera's going crazy. So, anyway, so yeah, I get that a lot. Hey, I can be over, I work till 11, I can be around midnight. I'm not gonna set my alarm to get up to walk downstairs in my pajamas to open the door for you. So, nope, not gonna happen. And finally, on this week's episode, let's talk about the small shop shout out, which is going out to the Wine Vault in Vermillion. The Wine Vault is an awesome restaurant. It's one of Dana and I's favorite places to go, have a glass of wine, have a nap, or have a full meal. Josh and Maggie do an excellent job over there. They've put a lot of thought into that place. Every detail is just squared away. The food is just amazing. The wine, they have a great wine list, right selection. Josh's knowledge of the wine is, you go to a lot of these wine bars and they're like, oh, we have a red and a white. Well, what kind of red do you have? Well, we have a house red or a house white. Josh will tell you what you need to know to make the right decision to meet your palate. So the Wine Vault in Vermillion, check them out. It's a small place, so I'm not sure if they're doing reservations or not, but it's very quaint. That's what I guess is probably the nice way to say it. It's very quaint. We really enjoy it. We go a few times a year. What's up with the camera? We go a few times a year. So check out the Wine Vault. They're on Facebook. I think they might have a website too. Their menus are constantly evolving. We've never been disappointed. I've never heard anyone say anything bad about the service or the food or the menu or the wine or anything. So check out the Wine Vault in Vermillion right there on Liberty Ave, right next to Zabo Apparel. Also, before I let you guys go, don't forget, if you like these videos, I have a video that's got 5,000 views. I'm really blown away by it. It's one of my favorite little videos I made. Just kind of made it in a whim, turned out great. Over 5,000 views, that's mind-blowing for me. Videos usually get between 500 and 1,000 views. I only got 150 followers on YouTube. So if you like this video and you're a YouTube nerd, or trust me, if you're not into YouTube, there's some great educational stuff on there, great entertainment stuff on there. Whatever you're into, people made a YouTube video. That's part of the reason why I can get by being out here and just sanding boards is I put a YouTube video on and learn something, or a history YouTube channel or something like that. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and I'd appreciate it. So that's it for this week. I will see you on Wednesday for the Whiskey and Wood Talk. I've already got a couple questions that came in for next week. Christmas questions are coming in. If you have any questions, the big question is, what should I get my spouse for Christmas? They're into crafts or woodworking. So if you have any of those questions, let me know what they're into, and I'll help you, point you in the right direction. And then also, when you're looking for a gift for somebody, don't just say, I'm looking for a gift. Let me know what your price range is. I want to spend $10. I want to spend $1,000. I can help you pick out that gift to help meet that person's needs. So check that out. Two other things I'm working on right now is I'm in the middle of doing a shop tour video, kind of walk around the shop, explaining tools, explaining my layout, my workflow. I'm working on that. Hope to have that out here in a few weeks. Trying to shoot it between when the shop is clean, which isn't that often. And the other thing I'm starting in November, I'm not sure when, I've already shot one, I just got to edit it, is I'm going to start doing a Tool Talk Tuesday. Tool Tuesday. That's always part of the problem, is figuring out the name. So I'm just going to do, or no, it's going to be Tool Tip, Shop Tip Tuesday. Yeah, shop tip. So it might be about a tool, might be about a tip, something that can help you more efficient in your shop. So anyway, I got a bunch of work to do. I got to keep that CNC going. I got to get the laser engraver fired up. It's beautiful outside. I'm going to shed off this hoodie. I might even mow the grass later. So you guys have a great weekend. Enjoy your Sunday, and I'll catch you on Wednesday.